Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Old dialogue, but yeah. So welcome back, and we are there in the last month of the year, December, and we have so many things going on right now. The resolutions जो हमने बनाए थे on January 1st, but were not able to complete. बस जो लिखे के लिखे रह गए on our journals या on our calendars or whatever. So you've still time to at least start them. Yeah, if you've started them, you have time to complete them in the last year. So also I'll give you some tips, so stay tuned in this video. uh, I'll give you 4 tips on how to complete the resolutions you made on 1st of January 2024. So first one, make a journal and write down all the things you wanted to cover in this year. Yeah, whatever resolutions you made in this year, for this year, write it down and make check boxes in front of them. I just want you to be consistent in this last 1 month at least, and you will realize, you will know how important and how useful the consistency is. So write the thing whichever you want to do and make some around 30 check boxes in front of it, and each time, yeah, each day you complete the task, put a tick in front of it. The satisfaction you'll get after taking it will drive the motivation into you to again get up on the second day and start the task. So in this way, you can just make a journal and make a list of things you wanted to do, and you can keep checking the progress. So the first one was making journals, and the second one is very important, I'll say, and it is digital detox. I'll assure you guys that about 13 to 12 hours of every teenager, yeah, every person around their 20s to 25 years of age as well, is on their screen time. So I'll ask you to reduce it to as much low as possible. Like, started from reducing it for 1 hour and then 2 hours and eventually making it more. So you never know, you don't know how much of your time is being invested on social media without even realizing and without even making you progressive. So I want you to stop it there itself. I want you to reduce your screen time as much as possible and invest that time in the things you listed out in your journal. That would be more productive. So 2 of them we have completed. First was the making journal, and the second was digital detox. So moving on to the third one, start exercising, start doing physical activity, indulge yourselves into the physical activity. Since हमने start किया digital detox, your source of dopamine will be lost, so you will be developing stress eventually. So in order to reduce that stress, start indulging in something that includes your physical movements. So start exercising, start doing yoga or meditation, whatever feels right for you guys, opt that and start doing that. And the very last and the fourth tip, yeah, advice I'll give you for ending this year is start reading books. Be it the autobiographies, be it the novels, or be it whatever self-help books you want to read, yeah, for whatever examinations you all are preparing. So start reading as much as possible, and at least allocate 10 minutes of your time either before going to bed or after waking up to reading books, because books are the key to the successful world. Doesn't matter how much you're covering, you can just increase the amount of time you're spending on books eventually, but let's just start at least small and grow towards the goals we have decided in the span. So we have just 4 advices, you have 4 things to do in order to conquer the last month of the year. That is, first one is journaling. Whatever you have thought of starting, yeah, whatever you've done till now and wanted to complete it in this month. The second one is digital detox. Reduce your screen time, stop using social media, and invest the time in the things you wanted to achieve, you accomplish. And the third one was do physical activity, whichever you want, yeah, whichever is feasible for you guys. Indulge yourselves into games and all. And the very last thing is I suggested to read books. I'll just, in case you want suggestions of the books that you want, that I recommend you guys, do drop in the comment section below and I'll give you some suggestions to the very helpful and very progressive books that help me as well. So do comment in the comment section below. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys will follow it, and before going, I'll just ask you to subscribe and like the like button and comment section. So I've already told you to comment in the comment section below. So yeah, that's it for this video. Bye bye.